trail off a beach that we were laying at all day. It was about 300 meters to something in Greek, and so we wandered down it and we found this church off the cliffside.
Yep, absolutely beautiful. Now it's time to go check out the fortress and get some moussaka.
Yeah!
And we gotta get out of this rain before it starts. So you got some delicious looking mussels, and I got a pork leg cooked in mustard sauce. Can you hear? How about now?
Monemvasia.
Monemvasia. I think that's what it's called.
I apologize for butchering the pronunciation of some of these places.
We are walking out here. You can't see it yet, but up top there is an old fortress from, what, the 15th century?
On the other side of that rock that you can't see currently is an old medieval village that still exists today.
Let's not talk about it. Let's just show Ava's perspective of that village. Been around for like 1,500 years, and it's been conquered and reconquered, and been in Turkish rule, Byzantine rule. So there's churches that have been turned into mosques, turned back into churches.
There's a pile of cannonballs laying around from
whatever war. It's pretty amazing. Everything up here is pretty much in ruins, but down there's the new town, and I think we're gonna walk around, maybe go up to that church, and then we're gonna head down, find some food.